Hi guys, here we are, week 2. This is American Lit period 1. I was getting ready to show you this nice pretty list of the assignments that you need to get done, and then I realized that Mrs. Simpson's an idiot, and if I were to hold this up, it is backwards for you guys. So, I'm just going to go through them, and if you look at the lesson plan that's posted on class pages, it's all listed there as well. So this is just a reiteration of what you can read for yourself. As I sent out in the announcements to you guys, I think it's a good idea to have a planner if you haven't already, or even just a piece of paper like this and write down for each class that you have what's due when, just so you are organized and realize that although it may look like there's a ton of work, in reality it's broken up, so there's a little bit for each day, so it's really not that much. So for us in my class this week, it's very similar to last week. I'm just changing the due dates a little bit to give you guys a little more parameter. And so that way not everything's so heavy loaded on the end of the week. That way you guys kind of, are forced to have time management. So Monday, the 23rd, you have your do now due. We're going to do one do now per week, and it's always going to be the first day that we meet. We're not actually meeting, but the first day of that class that week. So Monday by 11:59, you need to answer the do now question on the discussion board, same as last week. The majority of you got it, so I know that it worked, and I know that Power School did a huge update on Sunday, so things should be running a lot more smoothly, and you should be able to get into that and post. The other thing that's due on Monday is your vocab sentences and definitions, which I posted the Quizlet on Power School, and I have everything linked this time, this week, that when you when you click on the assignment, it'll allow you to upload to Power School. I would prefer that you do that versus sending me emails, because I did end up with like 100 emails last week and I had to sift through. It's a little just unorganized and not as nice and neat as I would like it. So upload your stuff to Power School. If there is some extreme situation where you definitely cannot upload it, then you can send me an email, but that should be your very last resort. So that's Monday. Wednesday, we will have in-class discussion just like last week for part 1 of the storm, and then your questions are due that night by 11:59. And then like last week, Friday by 11:59, the vocab quiz needs to be finished. I'm going to have it open up on Thursday like I did last week, so you guys have plenty of time. There were still 2 or 3 of you last week that didn't take the vocab quiz, which I don't understand why. Get with me if you were one of those 3, and we'll discuss what we can do to get that made up. But yeah, Friday by 11:59, get the vocab quiz done. If you have questions, as always, reach out to me. If you need help or need me to show you stuff on Fridays, we can set up Zoom meetings. If you need that extra help, we can do that during my office hours times between 9 and 12. But that's it for this week. Everything's posted on class pages. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Bye.